man, that sound. Does this make you guys feel special at all? I haven't driven a hatchback since we sold mine. A friend came over last night and we had a great time, which also meant he couldn't drive home. So I'm gonna drive his car over to his house. He's even got the same sound. Oh my, dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This might not be good for me to be driving this right now. I literally drove basically this car, but STI version, for 5 years of my life. And so this is like bringing back some hella memories. The EJ is the girl that just broke your heart too many times. I don't know if I could give it another chance. All right, Chris, enjoy your car. We're off to do Honda things. Well, we are back, boys. If you guys remember the last video, ooh, that's really dark. We went back to single jingle. This is the $600 turbo kit that we did in the summer, and now that we have a built-ish bottom end, we're gonna have some fun with it and see what it does today. We now have the pan off. We're gonna this guy fell off into the pan, so we had to take that out, and I was like, you know what, since it's out, we might as well go ahead and weld the bung on. I've had some bad experiences with with bungs before, so you know what? We are keeping this sucker on this time. We currently have like a 17 or so PSI spring in the wastegate, so that means we're gonna be able to spike boost, and we're gonna be at a pretty decent power number pretty quickly. I mean, this motor's been broken in, it's been driven a lot since we did all the twin turbo stuff, and so I'm hoping for good things. Please work on me. Please work on me. Don't blow. Don't blow. Bit. There it is. Woo! Good old eBay single turbo, single cam noises.
I haven't seen the police at that gas station like on this street, so we have to absolutely
not
check it before we rip there.
Okay.
Probably needs a little bit of adjustment right now.
Oh yeah, I would
probably gonna be super rich in the low end of boost because it's
cool. What's up, man?
What's up? What's up, man? Love your videos.
Thank you, dude.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. That's good. Woo!
that may have been a boost cut, I'm not sure.
Oh, the Camaro wants to run too. Just give me a second, buddy. It's been a little bit, and we forgot that he retarded the timing and had a red loader, so it popped. That's why.
I had it set special for when we did the burnouts.
Big poppies.
Yeah. And then when we were on the dyno, we never got up.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you probably stopped
the power
before
was
it
falling off before, yeah.
Well, that was fun. Now it's time to see what we can do with a pretty cheap eBay turbo kit with some good cooling on the dyno out of a moderately kind of built D16. I think this Civic is about to out Pizza the Hut. Come on, old single jingle. Do good for me. So while Ethan is doing some bass stuff right now, it's actually already making more power. It's great, super nice. But I'm taking apart the blown boy, the little T25, and just kind of seeing, I mean, it's got a lot, I can feel the shaft play as I shake the turbo. Got some snap rings here. I'm just trying to check, I would like to see the bearing on the inside, but I don't even know how you would...
You have to actually unscrew one of the...
Unscrew the turbine housing?
Yeah, so if you gotta hold the compressor side and then crack... I think it looks like that one's the bolt. The other side is the one that comes off.
Okay. So there we go. So there we go. I get this little nut off right there. Ooh, that's good. I don't know if they want us to know what's going on in there. Poor little guy. Too much Cindy. Ugh. So we're already making like 230 on wastegate, which is already pretty much more than what we can make on the twin setup. That was hot. I just touched my finger right there.
That was more than we can make on the twin setup with the second turbo not working.
Yeah. You know? Now we're putting a boost controller on and gonna ramp her up. I was talking to Ethan. I can't really remember. I think that on this exact turbo on the other unbuilt D16, 21 PSI or so, we made 270, so we're just hoping for a solid 300 or more. That guy and be like, yeah, my Civic makes 780 but never race anybody, and you know, and then it doesn't matter. This one's on like 20 PSI. If it does good, then we bump it up. The FPR came off. We did another run and it was really good, so here we go. Turn it up! Remember guys, we blew up the last one at 23. Something stopped spooling. I don't know. Got a lot of it coming from the, I almost thought I just heard the turbo stop spooling. Like towards the end of the run, I heard it was like really good, and then like at the very top, I was like, oh, she's spinning good, and then I almost like I heard like no, it just like it was like and then it was like it stopped. Let's see. This is the one from the green Civic. Blue, yeah, blue, the EJ. I mean, not really a great way to touch it. Oh, it's done. It's done.
Try to actually spin it. Feels like it's in solid.
Oh!
It's in solid peanut butter right now.
Dude. All right.
The other one still spun. This is like.
We finally blew the Wu-Tang war whistle. We were doing good. I'm just gonna get a good T3 and we'll just quickly replace
No
it.
more eBay turbo. You will not see me tune another eBay turbo.
Now you guys know though. For balling on a budget right now, you can get a decent amount of pulls out of these little Wu-Tang war whistles, but
It will
Man.
blow.
Only enough for like an Instagram vid, not a YouTube vid. Like, just limited.
Just the 15 seconds.
Damn. we were doing it. I literally heard it. I was like, that
You
turbo's
called
done.
it. You called
I
it.
heard it
Done.
3 pulls ago. I heard some cha-cha, and then I revved it, and I was like, oh, maybe I'm just imagining things. I looked at you, you looked concerned, I was concerned, and then I was like, nah, it's fine.
Yeah, as soon as I heard that, it stopped spooling mid-pull. I was like, oh damn. And then smoke is like, done. Done. So we got to like 240, but now we see a new turbo.
Let's see what the shape looks like if we...
It just tanks. Like Mario sound.
Yeah, so
I'm sure
I've been
you'd
playing
probably
Mario Kart on my phone during the quarantine. It's been pretty cool.
What? Big F in the chat. Salute. Salute. You don't want to roll coal right now? Turn that sucker on. It's actually not too bad. Man. Oh yeah. Oh! Damn.
Sorry about that.
I actually had a really good conversation just recently with Skunk 2 Grams. We're getting some really cool stuff and make a really awesome D16 Civic. So I'm trying to get the car ready basically by the time the drag strips and stuff open again, because it'd be cool to be like day one, drag strips are reopened, I'm gonna go send the Civic. So we're gonna get a good turbo this time, and we're gonna have like intake manifold, full built head and everything, and it's gonna be tight. Everybody in the chat, give me a big F in the comments. Everybody type F in the comments right now. I wanna see an F in the chat for the fallen eBay turbo, the Wu-Tang war whistle. She lasted a long time. She did good. I like the eBay stuff for like short term, but I think from now, with this finally out of my system, it kind of sucks to have to do that multiple times. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and just keep doing comp turbos and nice turbos. So give me an F in the chat, boys. You did good, brother. I'm proud of you. So about a year later, you got your answer. How long does a Hiroshima hairdryer, Wu-Tang war whistle, Shanghai spinny boy, how long does it last? And you got your answer. I'm gonna be honest, I think mine probably lasted way longer than it should have. I think I got kind of lucky with mine, but I think the amount of fun that we had with it, even though we have to replace it and stuff like that, was definitely worth it. I just want to remind you guys to have fun in life. There's a lot of times where things can be annoying or they don't go your way or whatever, and having fun is all about your outlook on life. It's all about how you view things that happened. Anybody can be pissed like, oh man, my eBay turbo just blew chunks in front of me. The whole journey with that turbo was fun. It was exciting. It was rad. So I just want to remind you guys, just have fun and have a good attitude in life, because you don't have a good life if you don't have a good attitude.
And it's a choice.
It is a choice. Also, buying a nice turbo is also a choice. So we're probably gonna keep doing that. But I'll catch you guys later. Y'all have an amazing day. Remember, we're giving away $2,000. You guys can enter in the top of the description. I will catch you later. Deuce. Trailer Tom, I'm telling you that you guys can. Evan, what do I say? You gotta tell them they can watch 2 videos. Yeah, you gotta watch them 2 videos right there in front of you. Master Evan told me to say you better watch it.